Hello guys, this is Ruchi here, and today I have a Gloomy bird alert tutorial for you. I hope you like it. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe and turn the notifications on. I started with base coat in all my nails. Our pinky, middle and thumbnail designs are going to be the same. Start painting your nail with white polish. Then, let's make some diagonal lines in pink in order to create a diamond pattern. Now, with red polish, we're going to make dropping blood from the top of the nail. So spooky. Add some top coat and you're done! Our next design is the gloomy bear face. Just paint all your nail in pink. Then add a white oval in the middle. 2 dark brown ovals in each side. And a smaller one in the center of the nose. Then add dropping blood from his mouth. Add top coat, and that's the cutest scary bear ever. Our final design is the gloomy bear paw. First, paint a pink semicircle at the top of your nail. Then, 3 cones in white. These are the claws of the bear. Then, add the dropping blood. Some top coat and you're done! I hope you like it! Bye!